Yo, what's good, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or wherever you see this? So I partnered up with W Ups, and yeah, I'm gonna put a link in this video somewhere probably. Just know if you use my code WUBS or whatever the code is, I probably put it in the video or whatnot. You get 10% off. Yeah, you get 10% off your order, man. It's very cool. Okay. But yeah, go to www.gg/wow. But yeah, I'll probably put the link in here. Put the code on here. You know what you need to do? As soon as you go check out, bro, put that code in. Get 10% off, and you're welcome. You're welcome. And also, right now, I'm watching Smitty. New video, crisp. But yeah. So how you doing, bro? How you doing? How you doing? Good? Hope so. If you ain't good, then there's something wrong, bro. You need to do something different. Yeah. Oh yeah. Also, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also I'm on Spotify, iHeartMusic, Amazon, iTunes. Just look me up, and guess what happens? You'll find all my music, bro. But here, I'm mainly post like just content, great viral content. So be ready with that. Peace.